Hello everyone and welcome back. In this part, we will install and configure Docker. But before we do that, there are a number of packages that needs to be installed on the server. So let's get started. First, you want to start Windows PowerShell, right-click, and here type Windows PowerShell and right-click and run as an administrator. You need to be running this PowerShell as an administrator. We want to register something called the PowerShell repository. So first, let's see if it is already registered. Go ahead and type git PowerShell repository. Let's see if it's registered. Unable to download PS repository. So we are going to register it. In order to register it, you will want first thing is to enable TLS 1.2 protocol. So we are going to issue this command. I will be putting all these commands in the description of this video. Security protocol equal net dot security protocol type. I'm just double checking the spelling. Point manager security protocol type, and then we are forcing the use of TLS 1.2. All right, now that we have this, let's register PowerShell repository. We have to write actually the default. It's asking you for the new Git module to be installed. Go ahead and click yes. Now if we go ahead and check the PowerShell repository, now we have the PS gallery, and this is what we need. We need this PS gallery in order to install our next package. So our next package or module that we need to install before we install Docker is PowerShell Git. Go ahead and say type install module, and then the name of the module is PowerShell Git, and force the installation. We will need these modules and PowerShell Gallery repository in order for Docker to be installed. All right, perfect. So now it is installed. Let's go ahead and install package provider container image, and again force the installation. It has installed it, and you can see the version is 0.6.4.0. And now we are ready to install our Docker. So go ahead in here, you want to type install module. The name of the module is Docker MSFT provider. These commands are also in your lab 12, and I will be adding them in the description of this tutorial. We are going to install it in the repository that is PS Gallery that we registered earlier, and we're gonna force the installation. I think I misspelled it in here. So as you can see, it has installed it. Now from this module, now we have the Docker MSFT provider module installed. From this module, we want to install the Docker package. So we're gonna go ahead and type install package name Docker, and the provider name is the module we just installed. So that will be Docker MSFT provider. MSFT provider. All right, go ahead and press enter. It's asking you for a package that is needed. Yes, it's asking if you can install it, although it's not tested. Go ahead and press yes. And now it installed Docker. The version is 19.03.12. Now let's see if the service has started. Nope, it's stopped, and that's the default because we just installed it. We didn't start it. So we will go ahead and say start service Docker. Let me double check now that it started. And now it's running. As you can see here, it's running. All right, so now we did actually install the Docker and started it. This brings me to the end of part 2. Thank you for listening. I will see you in the next part, where I will show you how to download and install a container-based image and how to deploy a Windows container.